In this video, I'll show you how to change the text color of cart headings on the collection list page in Shopify theme. And for the purpose of this example, I'm going to change the text color of cart headings to red. At first, let's log into Shopify admin account and then select online store. Now locate your active theme, in my case is Dawn version 15.3.0, and then select customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on drop down and then select collection list. Then on the left, under template, click on the collection list page, and then expand the custom CSS section. We're going to be adding the custom CSS rule right in here, but at first, let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the cart headings. Let's right click on it and then select inspect. Let's target the class selector, which is cart_heading, as well as target the A tag. Okay, so let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule: period, cart_heading, space A, open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type color, colon, then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let's get the hex code for the red color. Let's pick this one. Make sure to copy the hex code, including the hashtag. Then let's go back to the editor. Let's paste it right in here. Also, make sure to add the semicolon at the end. Now let's save the changes. Now let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the collection list page. And as you can see, the cart headings are now red color, and this change will be reflected on the desktop and mobile versions of the site, like right in here. That's what it looks like on mobile. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.